In this video, you are going to see how I edit my audio clips much faster, that too in just 2 simple steps. I'm using a paid plugin for this and I can confidently say that it is very affordable for every video editor. Not only that, even you can use it on multiple devices. I'll share the pricing in a moment, but before that, be aware that this is not a sponsored or collaboration video from this brand. Now, here comes the complete process I follow. I always record my external mic audio separately, mostly using my mobile phone. Next, I copy that audio and add it to the project, then sync the camera audio with the external audio. I have already uploaded a detailed video on how to sync audio on video perfectly, including some useful tips. You can check that video right after watching this one. After that, I go to the effects panel and search for clear. I drag and drop it onto the external audio clip. Next, I search for parametric equalizer and add that as well. This is step 1. Next, I open the clear audio setting and choose the studio preset. This works perfectly for any type of sound recordings. You can tweak the other options too by rotating the knob like this. I kept it like this to retain a bit of background noise. Then I open the settings in the parametric equalizer and from the preset list, I choose vocal enhancer. After that, I render the audio clip to avoid any errors in the audio. This is step 2. And that's it. This is exactly how I edit the audio for all the clips on my channel. When it comes to the plugin, right now it costs $99. You can buy it directly from the official website. I have already added the link in the description box. Also note that this is a one-time purchase, not a recurring payment. With this tool, you can save hours of audio editing time and the money you paid will easily come back within a month. You are saving hours of productive time with this simple tool. That's the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you again in another one.